This ring is the lowest price that we have ever had. 2 carats of modern elegance with a vintage touch in this solitaire ring.
It's hard to choose a favorite here. But I do think your first choice
it's hard to speak
is that
when you see this ring.
Yeah.
Right.
You know.
Because you have 2 options.
Good ones.
Two things to choose. Either you would like the emerald cut or the oval cut. And then you're going to choose, because this is set in solid 14 karat yellow gold or set in solid 14 karat white gold. That large oval or emerald cut solitaire ring, and then it's got the pave set diamonds haloing it, and then all the way down that beautiful like twisted shank. It is gorgeous. 4 through 11, we're saving over $562 on this ring. Michelle, be still my heart, please.
She's got curves.
She does.
Yes, and I love that about this ring. I think that's what gives it the vintage vibe. I think it's the curvy shoulder on it, don't you?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
you know?
that's why I said a little bit of vintage.
It's like this linear kind of flow. I'm mesmerized by this. I kind of lean into the emerald cut because the emerald has these long, lean facets. It looks very tailored. But then with the bowed shoulder and the frame being in brilliant rounds, I like that combination. I like the combination. It's like hard and soft, just like leather and lace.
Yes.
So, you know, that's appealing to me. Plus the quality. That center gemstone, what you're looking at there, can you imagine how expensive that would be if it was in a diamond from the earth?
Well, tell us, because you do know.
A lot of money, okay? The problem is when you're a diamond and you're growing hundreds of miles beneath the Earth's surface and you're growing over 3.5 billion years, right? A lot can happen. Think about what happened to you last week. Now imagine you're a diamond down there. Tectonic plates shift, things move around, you're going, ah. And then you come up through volcanic activity. You're going to pick up mineral deposits. You're going to pick up other gemstones. You're going to get little feathers and cracks and crazes along the way. When it's grown in a laboratory, we can grow it more perfectly. So in my opinion, if you're going to buy an emerald cut of any kind of significance, you should buy it in Firelight, because we can get you a bigger, brighter, more perfect diamond for a lot less money. So that's my 2 cents. I would go with the emerald. Now, that doesn't mean I don't love the oval. The oval gives you a huge look. And the sparkle, an oval shape is similar to a brilliant round, but it's got a longer top facet, which is called the table, and then where the culet would be to a point in a round, it's got a longer keel line. So you get a different kind of sparkle, but you still get a lot more light play, a lot more fast light play than you do with an emerald cut. So it's just a matter of personal preference. I could make a case for both of them, but that I think is pretty interesting.
Now this is 2 carats total weight.
That's a big ring.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Now, Mish, let me ask you a question, because this is a traditional whatever, you know,
setting.
Cut. It is a traditional setting for an engagement ring. And you know, this is a beautiful engagement ring.
It would be.
For anyone, right? But can a ring like this also be considered a fashion ring? Can I wear it
100%.
just as a fashion ring? Even if I have maybe an engagement ring, or, you know, or don't, but can I buy this and wear this as a fashion ring?
I hope so, because that's what I had in mind for it. I think as a right-handed ring, it would be just so glamorous. I love the sophistication of it, and I just think it looks so good on everybody's finger. Everybody I've seen wear it has looked amazing in it. It sits up higher, but not so high where it's going to get in the way of your busy life. So I think the hardest decision, as I said before, is do you want the oval or do you want the emerald? And then the next decision would be, do you want the warmth of the yellow gold in 14 karat, or do you want the icy crispness of the white?
You're killing me.
I know.
You are killing. Wait a minute, but when I just did this, okay, so let's talk about those steps.
Yeah, will you check that out, right? Look at the prisms. Look at the gorgeous rainbow. There's green and there's blue and there's red. All those colors just really come flying out of that center emerald cut, don't they?
But what is going on in that oval?
Light.
That faceting is crazy.
Yes, it is. This is what I mean. I mean, the most popular cut in the world today for light play like that would be a brilliant round.
Okay, a brilliant round will look like that with the faceting.
Yes.
Okay.
But with an oval, the facet arrangement is a little bit different. So you have the longer table and you've got the keel line at the bottom. So it gives you the similar fire. So what is it that you love about diamonds? You have to ask yourself, do you like the vitality of all those colors running around inside of that stone? Because that oval will, I mean, you'll need sunglasses. It's so crazy. It's so vital. And then the life, you know, it's just crazy. You look at the emerald cut and you're getting this languid flash. So do you want the colors running around, or do you want them to be a little bit slower in their demeanor? It's like when I'm in the South. I always enjoy my time in the South because the cadence is slower.
Right.
I get to enjoy when we're taking a drive. I get to enjoy the beauty of what's around me. I feel like I sort of drink in things a little bit more.
It's true.
But when I'm
Or
in
do you
New
wanna
York
go to
City,
New York?
boom, 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 boom. Right. It's like New York City and South Carolina together, those two stones.
And there you see beautifully exactly what Michelle
I'm thinking
is saying.
South Carolina for me.
You're thinking South Carolina?
I am.
I'm thinking New York.
They're both so good.
I can't with the way the light bounces, but truly, that's what makes an emerald cut so incredible, right? It's all about those steps. You can literally see them, like what you would be stepping on if they were an actual
Staircase.
Staircase.
Yes.
You can see the staircase in there, and it's all about the crazy great quality of this diamond.
Yes. Can you imagine how you're going to feel when you put this on, when you get that box and you put this on and you step out to have lunch with your friends? Can you imagine? Oh, speaking of which, I meant to show you, I wore this to show you today. This is a preview of something that's coming up. We've got a Firelight diamond watch that's going to be coming up, and it's going to blow your mind.
That is
It's
fabulous.
supposed to be slated before the end of the month. So save your pennies
hopefully
because
I
it's
can get to get
gorgeous.
it. I mean, or hopefully I get to
know a
present it.
guy.
That's a mother of pearl face right there.
Isn't it gorgeous? And look at the sunray dial. Anyway.
Yeah, it reminds me of
It sure does.
a watch, another watch that I want.
Me too, but I'm not gonna spend that kind of money. How about if I could tell you that was coming in at under 500?
That watch?
This watch that I have on with diamonds everywhere.
That's Firelight. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is Firelight. So you are going to choose. I hate when everything gets so messy.
I'm sorry.
No,
Here.
you didn't do it. I did it. So there is the oval, less than 10 in both colors. Altogether,
You can size it. I'm not worried.
less than 10 and less than 10 in the emerald.
Just get one.
That is it. And they are set in the solid 14 karat white gold or solid 14 karat yellow gold. Just check out of your cart. This is the lowest price that we have ever offered. 2 carats total weight. It's fabulous.
Are you kicking me out?
No.
Am I
Stay
the
with me.
dinner companion that stayed too long at the house?
No, you're coming back. Actually, want to just stay with me?
Sure, yeah.
Just stay.
I'll stay here.
Just stay.
My sister just turns